This video will explain the paper 1 question for the topic extraction of aluminium from its ore. The first question is, which statement about extracting metals from the ores are correct? Number 1 is, aluminium is extracted by the electrolysis of aluminium oxide dissolves in cryolite. Yes, it is a correct statement because aluminium is very high up in the reactivity series, so electrolysis is the only method that can be used to extract aluminium from its ore. Second statement says that silver is difficult to extract from its ore because of its low reactivity. Silver is below in the reactivity series. It is low in the reactivity. That part of the statement is correct, but the first part that says it is difficult to extract from its ore is not correct because the elements or the metals which are below in the reactivity series are less reactive, so they don't form very stable compounds, so it is very easy to extract them from their ores just by reduction with carbon. Statement 3 says that iron is extracted from hematite by reduction in the blast furnace. That's absolutely a correct statement because iron is a little below, just in the middle of the reactivity series, and it can be extracted by reduction with carbon. So that's a correct statement. So statement 1 and 3 is correct. That means we'll go with the Bravo option. So B is the correct answer for this question. Next question says that which statement about the preparation and properties of aluminium is correct? Okay, I always tell my students that while you're reading the question, hold a pen in your hand and underline the important terms in the question because they are going to help you to approach to the correct answer. So the important terms in this statement is preparation and properties. So you have to look for the statement where both the requirements are fulfilled. Let's read the option. Option A says that aluminium is obtained by heating aluminium oxide with carbon. That's an incorrect statement because aluminium is high up in the reactivity series and it forms very stable compounds, so it cannot be reduced by heating with carbon. The electrolysis method is used to extract aluminium from its bauxite ore. I have explained the whole topic in our video. You can go and watch it and I'll put the link in the description. Okay, the Bravo option says that aluminium is produced at the anode by electrolysis. Aluminium is not produced at the anode. It is produced at the cathode because aluminium forms a positive ion and cathode is the negative terminal of the apparatus. So aluminium is collected at the cathode. So this is again our incorrect option. Charlie says that aluminium is unreactive as it forms an oxide layer. So yes, aluminium is unreactive. Why it is unreactive? Although it is high up in the reactivity series, it is unreactive because instantly it forms a tough coating of oxide on its surface as it is very reactive. So once the oxide layer is formed, the further reaction is stopped because that layer is extremely tough to get dissolved and prevent the further reaction to occur. So that's a correct option. But we are going to read why delta is a wrong option. Delta says that aluminium is used in the overhead electricity cables and it is a good conductor of electricity and a high density. First part of the statement is correct because it is a good conductor, but the second part is not correct because aluminium is low in density, not high in density. So Charlie is the correct option for this question. Okay, the next question says that which reactions takes place during the extraction of aluminium from aluminium oxide using carbon electrode. So here the important term is using carbon electrode is very important. They are not saying on carbon or the electrodes are made up of carbon. They are saying using carbon electrode. That means that we have in the extraction of aluminium, we know that we are using two electrodes. One is cathode, other is anode. And between both of these, the anode electrodes are being used while the process is going on until the end they are dissolved. So we have to choose the equation where they are saying that carbon dioxide is formed. So first at anode the oxide ions will go and oxidize, and in the second part of this reaction is where oxygen is reacting with carbon to form carbon dioxide. So 1 and 2 is the reaction which occurs by using carbon electrode. So Bravo is the correct answer for this reaction, for this question. The last question of this video is the table gives properties of the four metals P, Q, R and S. First column says methods of extraction, second says reaction with water and third says reaction with acid. So the statement is, which statement is correct? Alpha says P is the least reactive. Okay, look at the method of extraction for P, that's electrolysis only. So electrolysis is done for the metals which are highly reactive. So A is of course our wrong option. Bravo says Q would displace R from the solution of his salt. As Q is extracted by heating with carbon and R is extracted by electrolysis only, so Q cannot displace R. So even this is a wrong option. And then C, Charlie says R could be zinc. R says extracted with electrolysis only, but we know that zinc can be extracted by heating with hydrogen or carbon. So that cannot be the correct option as well. Delta says that S could be copper. S is heating oxide with carbon, yes. S is not reacting with water, okay, it's correct. When S is reacted with acid, there is no reaction. As we know that copper is below in the reactivity series, below hydrogen, so it cannot displace hydrogen from the acid, as well as it does not, it cannot be, it is not even reacting with water. So delta is the correct option for this reaction. That's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.